Good morning, children. How are you? I hope everybody is fine. So, in our previous class, we discussed idioms and match the following words in column A with their meanings in column B. We discussed and also I explained some idioms. They are very, very important. Please read them. Now, today I am going to explain, that is, verb pattern. Verb pattern. Verb pattern. So we have to use statements, that means positive or negative. Next, WH words. WH words. Next, exclamatory words. Exclamatory words. Here, some examples are given to you all. Listen. Write against each of the following sentences its type. The first question is, we love English. We love English. It is a statement. Write the first answer, that is statement. Here, we love English. We love English. In the sentence, there is no question mark. There is no exclamatory mark. Just only completion of the statement. It is called, write like this, statement. Exercise number. Here, exercise is 1.6. 1.6 bit it is. We love English. It is a statement. Next one. Close the door. Close the door at once. Close the door at once. You are giving an order. So, it is command. It is command. There is no subject, first verb. The sentence starts with verb. Close the door at once. Stop here. Stop there. Stop it. They are giving commanding. So when we want to express commanding, we have to use with a verb only, not subject. The first sentence, we love English. Total statement starting with the subject. We love English statement. And close the door at once is serious. You are going to express your seriousness. So it is a command. Next one, how can I improve my English? How can I improve my English? How can I improve my English? It is a question, interrogative. It is a question. WH, where are you going? How many marks you scored? Which books do you like most? These are all questions. Next one. How difficult the question is? How difficult the question is? Here, the symbol shows, so like this symbol shows exclamatory. It is an exclamatory. ఆశ్చర్యార్థకము in Telugu. Exclamation or exclamatory. Next one. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? It is a question. It is question word. Question. Are you ready to go is a question. Next. Read. Dancing in the rain. Closely. Read dancing in the rain closely. So starting with we have to use verb only. It is a command. It is command. Command, that is. Next. How valuable the writers advice is. How valuable the writer's advice is. It shows exclamatory. Exclamatory. Will parents listen to Azim Premji? Here, will parents listen to Azim Premji? There is a question mark. Here, will is auxiliary, so it is also question word. Next. Learning is a continuous process. So there is no question word, there is no be form, and completion of the statement use full stop. It is statement. Next. Children love stories. Children love stories. It is also statement. It is also statement. So what we discussed today? Statement, question, exclamatory we discussed. Once again I will read the sentences. Please find out. We love English. In the sentence there is no question word. There is no helping verb starting. There is no commanding. So it is just a statement. What it is? Statement. Close the door at once. But at the beginning there is no subject. Close the door. Close is a verb. Come here. Go there. Sit down. These are all commanding words. Come here. For example, one of the students are going that way. Hey mister, come here. That is a command. Here also, close the door is a command. How can I improve my English? How can I improve my English? There is the ending of the statement question mark. That is, what is that? Question. How can I improve? How can I play football? How can I play chess? These are all questions. How difficult the question is. Wow. It shows the exclamation. How difficult the question is. There is exclamatory mark. So answer is exclamatory. How can we identify the symbol? Like this. Exclamatory. Are you ready to go? Are you go to market? Are you play chess? Are you write a story? Are you read a story? These are all questions. Next, read Dancing in the Rain closely. Read the lesson carefully. Read the story. It is nothing but command. How valuable the writer's advice is? How valuable the writer's advice is? It is an exclamatory mark. Will parents listen to Azim Premji? Will parents listen to Azim Premji? Is a question word. Question it is. Learning is a continuous process. There is no question word. There is no helping word. There is no exclamatory. So it is positive, means a statement it is. Next, children love stories. It is also statement. There is no question mark. There is no auxiliary at the beginning. There is no exclamatory. So it is called as statement. Understood? Now let us start. Here exercise 1.7. Here, what is this? Punctuation marks. Punctuation marks. So, page number in first lesson, that is punctuation marks. Exercise number 1.7. Here, so some sentences are given. Gandhiji said that, like this given. Gandhiji said that. Gandhiji said that the greatest lessons in life are learned from children. In life are learned from children, not from learned men. A child will fearlessly try before giving up. As adults, fearing failure, we give up. Before we try. It is the given passage. Now we have to use some punctuations. Punctuations means where we have to use capital letters, where we have to use full stops, where we have to use question marks, where we have to use exclamatory marks. Okay? And this type of bits we will discuss later next classes, but for the sake of the completion, we have to write all the answers. So any proper noun, మనుషుల పేర్లు చెప్పేటప్పుడు అది మధ్యలో ఉన్న వాక్యం మధ్యలో ఉన్న స్టార్టింగ్లో ఉన్న ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా కూడా క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ రాయాలి. హియర్ ద ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ గాంధీ, జీ Here use G capital letter. Gandhiji said that greatest lessons in life are learned from children, not from learned men. Here, full stop. Here, full stop. Here, G. Full stop after use again, capital letter A. A child will feel try to give up, giving up. Here, full stop. Full stop after use again, capital letter. So now we have to write here as. Yes, as adults fearing failure, comma, we give up even before we try, full stop. So that like we have to frame. Where we have to use capital letters? Gandhiji, proper noun, definitely we have to use capital letter G. Again, learned men, full stop. After use again, capital letter. The given word A is small letter here, it can be changed as capital letter. A child will fearlessly try before giving up, full stop again. As adults fearing failure, comma, we give up before we try, full stop. Okay? So it is punctuation marks. Now let us start dialogue writing. Here there is a cute conversation between Raghu and Ravi. Listen the conversation. Raghu, hello Ravi, I think you are carrying a bag of bundle to college. Ravi, what can I do? You too are carrying a bundle. Raghu, it has become a great nuisance to carry books of all subjects to college every day. Ravi, we science students have to carry science records also besides the texts and notes. Raghu, this is all because of our meaningless education system. Ravi, the parents and teachers are trying to push their knowledge into our brains. Raghu, we must be allowed to learn from our own style of learning. Ravi, it's good, let's hope so. Here, there is a dialogue between students discussing their difficulties in carrying too many textbooks to college every day. So it is one type of dialogue. And listen once again, it is a exercise to you all. So what is the dialogue here? Write a dialogue between two students discussing their difficulties in carrying too many textbooks to college every day. ఇద్దరు పిల్లవాళ్ళు ఆ ఎక్కువ సంఖ్యలో ఉన్న పుస్తకాన్ని మోయలేక ఒకరికొకరు ఈ విధంగా డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. డైలాగ్ రైటింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిపెండ్ అపాన్ యువర్ క్రియేటివిటీ. ఎలా ఉందో చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. రఘు, హలో రవి, ఐ థింక్ యు ఆర్ క్యారింగ్ ఏ బ్యాగ్ బండిల్ టు కాలేజ్. పెద్ద బండి లెక్క మోసపోతున్నావు కదా కాలేజీకి అన్నాడు రఘు. రవి, వాట్ కెన్ ఐ డూ? యూ టూ ఆర్ క్యారింగ్. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేయను, నువ్వు కూడా మోస్తున్నావు అలానే అన్నాడు రఘు. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బికమ్ ఏ గ్రేట్ న్యూసెన్స్ టు క్యారీ బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ టు కాలేజ్ ఎవ్రీడే. ప్రతిరోజు అన్ని సబ్జెక్టుల పుస్తకాలు తీసుకోవడం చాలా చికాకుగా అనిపిస్తుంది, ఏం చేయాలి? రవి, we science students have to carry science records also besides the textbooks and notes. Because we are the science students, we need so many books, textbooks at the same time, and we need some records also. Set. Raghu, this is all because of our meaningless education system. So whatever it may be, our education system is meaningless. నిజంగా మన యొక్క విద్య, మన యొక్క ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ అంత కరెక్ట్గా లేవు. ఈ సిస్టమే బాగాలేదు, ఈ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమే సరిగ్గా లేదని చెప్పన్నాడు రవి. ద పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ టీచర్స్ ఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు పుష్ దేర్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇన్ టు అవర్ బ్రెయిన్స్. వారికి కావలసినటువంటి లక్షణాలు, మై సన్ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ ఏ డాక్టర్, మై సన్ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ ఏ ఇంజనీర్ అనేటువంటి అంబిషన్స్ మన పేరెంట్స్కి ఉన్నాయి. వాళ్ళు కాలేక మనకి వారి యొక్క ఆలోచన విధానాన్ని మన మైండ్లోకి వాళ్ళు పుష్ చేస్తున్నారు, మనల్ని చాలా ఇబ్బంది పెడుతూ ఉన్నారు. రఘు, వీ మస్ట్ బి అలౌడ్ టు లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ ఓన్ స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ లెర్నింగ్. మనం ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి ఇష్టం వచ్చిన మనం చదువుకుందాం, మన ఆలోచన ప్రకారం మనం చదువుదాం. రవి, ఇట్స్ గుడ్, లెట్స్ హోప్ సో. నిజంగా అలా కావాలి, అలా ఉంటేనే బాగా ఉంటుందని చెప్పేసి అన్నాడు. జస్ట్ సీ ద paragraph once again where we have to use cap letters. Please check once again your notes.